बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। स्टूडेंट्स, ये MCQs 100 इसको देखें। 1 एलिमेंट मीन्स डैश थिंग, सेम, डिफरेंट, इक्वल, नन ऑफ दिस। 2 3 6 91 सेट 3 dot means goes on, descending, non descending, forever, none of these. 3 x belongs to n such that x is greater than 2, the set represent dash form, descriptive, tabular, set builder, none of these. 4 this symbol means belongs to, not belongs to, both A, B, none of these. 5 x 6 dash is the symbol of union. These are the symbols they इसको देखिए कौन कौन सा है तो करेक्ट आप। 7 intersection means to take dash elements from both sets, different, same, smaller, none of these. This symbol is equal to this A is symbol, you understand this one. B not belong to, C empty, D none of these. 9 dash is a symbol of different. These are the symbol, which one is correct? 10 A difference B is equal to B minus A minus B, C A plus B, none of these. 11 there are dash operations on sets 1 2 3 4. 12 two sets I A and B are disjoint sets if dash is equal to empty. A union B intersection B A B, none of these. 13 A complement whole complement is equal to universal, empty, A complement set. 14 A intersection A complement is dash, union, empty, A complement. Empty complement set is equal to universal set, empty, universal complement, U minus A, universal set minus A. 16 if A is equal to 1 2 3 and B is equal to 4 5 6, then A intersection B is equal to empty set B 1 2 3 4 5 6, C both, D none of these. 17 universal set minus A is called dash of A, complement, disjoint, both, none of these. 18 prime number are denoted by W N P Z. 19 n is equal to 1 2 3 4 represents dash number, natural, whole, prime, none of these. 20 dash is a greatest set of numbers, natural, whole, real, all of these. 21 any integer can be expressed in the form of p by q where q is equal to 0, q belong to natural number, q is not equal to 0, none of these. 22 0 is a dash number, irrational, rational, both, none of these. 23 in any rational number p by q, q may be 0, this statement is true, false, none of these. 24 a plus into माइनस ए, ये पहला वाला जो है ये स्मॉल ए है स्टूडेंट्स, ये नोट के 24 में ए स्मॉल ए है, स्मॉल ए प्लस इंटू माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू 0 इज डैश इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी, multiplicative, additive, both, none of these. 25 a set of whole numbers containing negative numbers 2 is called number, prime, whole, integer. 26 0 by p has dash reciprocal, now 1 2, none of these. 27 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8 6, both, none of these. 28 dash is the reciprocal of itself, 2 3 1 4. 29 odd integers are dash numbers, irrational, rational, positive, none of these. 30 the derivative inverse of minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 2 minus 1 by 2, none of these. 31 what is 3 by 10 divided by 1 whole power by 5 dash, 1 by 2 3 by 8 1 by 6 27 by 50. 32 the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4 is 4 minus 1 by 4 0. 33 this symbol of this is a symbol is the symbol of greater than, less than, none of these. 34 a rational number satisfy descriptive property of multiplication or addition. A false, B true, C sometime true, D none of these. 35. A by B multiply C by D is equal to C by D plus 1 A by multiply A by B. स्टूडेंट्स ये जो है A by B multiply C by D is equal to C by D multiply A by B है. is called dash property of a rational number with respect to multiplication, distributive, associative, commutative, none of these. 36. A by B plus C by D is equal to C by D plus A by B shows a dash property with respect to division, distributive, associative, commutative, none of these. 37. Minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1, 0, 4 by 9, none of these. 38. 1 by 2 dash 1 by 8 less than, greater than, equal, none of these. 1 by 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 1, 1 by 36, 7 by 6, none of these. 40. 3 by 8 is a dash fraction, proper, improper, decimal, none of these. 41. 16 by 7 is a dash fraction, proper, improper, decimal, none of these. 42. Improper fraction can be written as mixed number. This statement is true, false, none of these. 43. 1 by 6, 6, 6, 6 is a dash decimal, terminating, not terminating, recurring, none of these. 7.01 dash 7.1 equal, not equal, greater, none of these. 45. Which decimal is equal to 1 by 100? 0.001, 0.01, 0.1 minus 0.01. 46. 5.36 after rounding up of the nearest tenth will become 5.37, 5.46, 5.4, 5.47. 47. 5.277 after rounding up to the nearest hundred will become 5.28, 5.278, 5.288, 5.3. A power m multiply a power n is equal to a m minus n, b a power m plus n, c a m n, d none of these. 49. A power m by a power n is equal to a m power m minus n is called dash law. Power, product, quotient, all of these. A power n multiply b power n is equal to a b whole n is dash law. Power, product, quotient, all of these. 51. A power 0 is equal to 1. This law is true, false, in rare cases true, none of these. 52. A power m whole n is dash a power m n, a power m plus n, a m minus n, all of these. 53. n 2 power 5 base is 5 to 2 power 5, none of these. 54. 2 power minus 3 is equal to 2 power 3 b, 1 by 2 power 3 c, 8 d, all of these. 55. Minus 2 whole square whole cube is dash is equal to dash 32 minus 32 4 minus 64. 56. 2 power 3 multiplied 3 square is equal to dash 2 multiply 3 whole cube, 2 multiply 3 whole 5 whole power 5 c 72, none of these. 57. A power m by a power m is equal to a power m 1, a power m multiply a power n, none of these. 58. 2 power 0 is equal to 0 1 2 1 by 2. 59. 4.4 that means here multiplication. 4.4.4.c.c.c.c 3 power 4 c power c b 4 cube c4 c4 c whole power 7 4c 60. 2 power 4 is equal to dash 8 1 by 2 power 4 16 32. 61. A by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m, a power m multiply b power m, a power m minus b power m, none of these. 62. 1 power 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 power 1 minus 1, 1, none of these. 63. Minus 3 whole power 5 is equal to minus 2 4 3 minus 15 15 2 4 3. 64. If the exponent of a number then its value will positive, negative, never exist, none of these. 65. 3 power 4 whole square is equal to 3 power 6, 3 power 8, 3 power 3 square, none of these. 66. A fraction number is always dash 1 greater, less than, equal to, none of these. 67. To multiply two powers that have same basis, dash the exponent. Multiply, subtract, add, none of these. 68. 100 power 0 multiply 100 power 0 is equal to dash 10,000. 100 power minus 2, 1, none of these. 69. 2 cube multiply 3 cube is equal to 2 multiply 3 whole cube, 2 multiply 3 whole power 3 plus 3, 6 cube, none of these. 70. 1 by 2 whole power 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole power 1 is equal to A 1 by 2 square, B 1, C 1 by 2, 1 minus power 1 minus 1, none of these. 71. In x plus pi, pi is called a variable, constant, exponent, none of these. 72. X plus 4 into x minus 4 is equal to x square minus 8, x square plus 16, x square plus 8, x square minus 16. 73. Minus 2x cube into 4x square is equal to minus 8 x power 5 minus 6 x power 5 minus 8 x power 6, and d is 6 x power 5. Now 74. We have x power 5 plus 5x plus 4 is a dash, monomial, binomial, trinomial, none of these. 75. A polynomial having only one term is called binomial, monomial, trinomial, none of these. 76. A symbol or letter having fixed numerical value is called A variable, constant, exponent, none of these. 77. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to dash a minus b whole square, b a plus b whole square, c a multiply b whole square, none of these. 78. A square minus b square is equal to dash a minus b into a minus b, a multiply b, a plus b, a minus b, none of these. 79. We can only add dash term, like, unlike, negative, none of these. 80. X square plus x is a dash polynomial, non-polynomial, trinomial, none of these. 81. A pair of angle whose sum is dash is called complementary angles. 180 degree, 360 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. 82. A chord a line segment joining dash points on a circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. 83. A or N is a part of position of the circumference of a circle. Arc, segment, angle, none of these. 84. U means in dash shape. This is a symbol like U. Different, same, small, none of these. 85. Congruent is denoted by, these are the symbols by which one we can denote it. 86. Dash is a symbol of, these are the symbols by which symbol we can denote a subset. 87. If A is a set, then complement is denoted by, these are the symbols by which one we can denote it. 88. If a set has n elements, then P of A has dash elements. 2 power n square, both A and B, none of these. 89. Subtraction of a set from universal set is called dash, complement, union, intersection, all of these. 90. Number of elements in power set of 1, 2, 3, 4 will be dash 5, 10, 16, 32. 91. A union into B union C is equal to A union B into union C is dash proper with respect to union. Commutative, associative, both, none of these. 92. A dash is collection of well defined and distinct object. Set, matrix, set or matrix, none of these. 93. Q denotes dash number. Real, rational, irrational, none of these. 94. Q union Q dash is equal to Q dash, real numbers, all of these. 95. The value of under root is dash 1 by 2, 2, 2 by 3, none of these. 96. 3 multiplied 3 whole under root is equal to dash 1390. 97. Cube root of 125 is 225, 5, 2 by 3, none of these. 98. In Hero's formula, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 3, A plus B plus C by 4, A plus B plus C by 2, none of these. 99. a is equal to s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c whole under root is a the formula of dash. Area of rectangle, area of trapezium, area of triangle, none of these. 100. Area of a quadrilateral region can be calculated by dash. Hero's formula, algebraic formula, both a and b, none of these. स्टूडेंट्स इसमें कुछ इस तरह है कि हमने वीडियोज़ इस पर नहीं बनाई हो, हमने नहीं करवाई है, लेकिन फिर भी ये आपके लिए बेहतर है, कुछ जहन से काम लें, बेहतर है। ओके, थैंक यू।